Rhombus. Four-sided, equal length, parallel opposite sides with equal opposite non-90-degree angles. A rhombus is a quadrilateral lying in a plane with four equal length sides and equal opposite non-90-degree angles. A rhombus is basically a pushed-over square or slanted square. A square is a shape lying in a plane, parentheses, completely flat and infinitely thin, end parentheses, with four equal length sides and four 90-degree or right angles. Note that to, quote, lie in a plane, end quote, means the shape is completely flat and not twisted in any way. Any shape that were to be twisted would not be a two-dimensional shape, but would become a three-dimensional shape. Also note that any four-sided shape can be called a quadrilateral, parentheses, quad meaning four, and lateral meaning side, end parentheses. A rectangle is a four-sided shape, parentheses, quadrilateral, end parentheses, lying in a plane, with two pairs of parallel opposite sides, each pair having a different length, and four 90-degree or right angles. A right angle is another name for a 90-degree angle. In general, a rectangle is an elongated square. A trapezoid is a quadrilateral with one pair of opposite parallel sides called bases. The two non-parallel sides of a trapezoid can have any measure base angles. An isosceles trapezoid, parentheses, two equal length sides, end parentheses, has one pair of parallel opposite sides called bases, and the other two non-parallel opposite sides of equal lengths, and therefore equal base angles. Base angles are angles along the base, parentheses, either base in the case of a trapezoid, end parentheses. A parallelogram can be a square, rectangle, rhombus, or an elongated rhombus, which has equal opposite non-90-degree angles and pairs of parallel opposite sides, the two pairs having different lengths. A rhombus is a quadrilateral lying in a plane with four equal length sides and equal opposite non-90-degree angles, which looks like a pushed over or slanted square. Antonyms: square. Related words: square, rectangle, trapezoid, parallelogram, quadrilateral, isosceles, opposite angles.